you guys hiding back there?
Well, we're not hiding anymore. I'm watching.
Get more in here for you.
So, watch as soon as we take these up.
Oh, that hurts.
I got you a little bit.
Yeah.
We're gonna come right down in here and do a little bit more. Then I think we're gonna be ready to get started.
I'm waiting for that pocket to pop.
It's about to pop, I know.
Yeah, okay.
All right, ready? Here we go. Little incision.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Let's test it. Did that hurt?
No.
There?
No.
What size blade do we have here, ladies? Is this a 15?
15.
All right, we have a 15 blade. If you hurt, you tell me. We're making a slow incision right across the top. And make a little bit deeper there, Gonzo. So then you can, all right, let's get that culture. Here we go. Get down in there. There you go.
No, that's
Perfect.
sticking now.
Is it stinging a little
Yeah,
bit?
a lot.
Okay. Well, we can go always get some more medicine if we need to, but we're just going to give it a little squeeze right now. We're not cutting.
Okay.
See what comes out of here.
I feel sorry for you right now.
Really?
That wasn't terrible.
Those are no fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Misty, why are you all the way back there?
She doesn't want to be.
Sweaty.
All right, little stick, little sting and a burn. You okay?
Yeah.
He's good.
Okay. How was that then? And we're getting a whole bunch of pus that's coming out right now. You see that? How you feeling?
I'm alright.
We got a whole bunch of pus coming out of there. Wow. Here comes more. I can't believe all that was in your ear. Get another 4x4 here. How's your pain? You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
More coming. Oh, yes, honey. You gotta feel that.
Easy, does a deep breath, okay? You alright? If it's hurting a whole bunch and you want me to stop for a second, you tell me, okay?
Yeah.
Does that hurts when, ugh. Oh,
yes.
man, yeah.
It's big pockets. Big pockets.
Big,
We get the big pockets.
big pocket there.
You okay, honey?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. We're going to make the first incision and see what we've got here.
Probably gonna have to jump.
I hope not.
Are we gonna do a culture?
Oh,
Right on you.
sure did. You got me, Mr. Hunter. You sure did.
Do you want to do a culture?
Yes, I do. All right, you got me a culture at. Here we go. We're going to get in here and get a little culture of this stuff. Oh, boy, that's pretty bud coming out of there already. Let's set that aside, little Gonzo. All right, this is wanting to come out on its own, so we're going to have to give it a little push.
Alright.
You ready?
Yes.
Just breathe. Ooh.
Oh, that's a bunch, my friend. You got a bunch in there. This is definitely an abscessed cyst. You definitely have some cyst material in there too. So I think you had the cyst first, like we talked about was probably going to be the case. And I think that it secondarily has become infected. How's your pain? Was that a lot or just a little bit of pushing?
A lot when you're pushing.
A lot when it hurt. We're going to give you some more pain medicine right now. Gonzo, I'm proud of you.
Wow.
Right.
Well,
A lot of cold spray. Lots and lots and lots of cold spray. Go, 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 go. Good work. Good work. That was the easy part. Little stick now.
No, not yet, not yet, not yet. Oh!
Breathe, breathe. We're almost done. There we go. That was the hard part.
I hate this. I hate it.
If you liked it, we would worry
You
about it.
didn't feel anything, baby doll.
Oh, I don't know.
We're making some
Are you done? Are you
privacy,
done?
honey.
Okay, don't move.
Are you done? Are you done? Are
Don't
you
move.
done?
Well, we made an incision. Now we're gonna do the culture. Because you got all kinds of green pus coming out.
Yuck.
Alrighty, perfect.
Sick.
Yes, it is yuck, and you can't believe
don't
how
wanna
yuck
look.
it's gonna look.
Oh.
Now we're gonna try to squeeze it out.
Just breathe,
Breathe and put gentle pressure. I know this hurts. Breathe.
No, it
slow.
doesn't really, but
I know it's scary. Slow, deep
yeah,
breaths.
I know what you're doing.
Slow, deep breath.
Oh.
In with the good air, out with the bad air.
Ow. Okay. No.
You felt something there?
No.
Did you feel?
So hey, my name is Melissa and I've been taking Meta7 for about 3 months now. I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off caffeine and energy drinks. It's definitely giving me that little boost so I can go ahead and start my day. My goal is to keep continuing to take this product. So hopefully we'll see in the next 3 more months how it goes, but definitely recommend it. You can definitely go on Amazon and look it up and check it out. It's great.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hey, my name's Leanne. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy. You guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.